If you're having trouble formatting your USB drive in Windows 10, then don't worry, as we have you covered. Watch this video till the end to learn how you can fix this issue. Hey, you are watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. Formatting USB drive on Windows 10 is pretty simple, which is why it can get frustrating when it doesn't work. You have likely come across this issue where Windows fails to format the USB drive, whichever file system you may set. When this happens, you need to follow the steps we are going to show here to fix it. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Now, let's jump into the solutions. Method 1. Use DiskPart. The first thing you need to do is plug in the USB drive. Next, search command prompt on the start menu and run it as administrator. Now, you will have to run a series of commands. You will have to follow carefully and make sure that you are typing the correct commands as we have shown. We will add the commands in the description, so make sure to check it. Now, type DiskPart and press enter. Write list disk and press enter. You will see all the disk drives appear on your screen with information. Here, you will need to see the disk number of the USB drive. An easy way to deduce is looking at the size section. Another way is to open Disk Management. Type Disk Management on the Start menu and open the top option. Here, you can see the disk number of the removable drive. Remember it. Now, head to the command prompt, type select disk and then the disk number and press enter. Next, type attributes disk clear read only and press enter. Type clean and press enter again. After that, type create partition primary and press enter. Now, we will format it using DiskPart. Type format fs equals the file system type and add quick in the end. So, if you want to format to NTFS, type format fs is equal to NTFS quick as we have done. Press enter. Wait for the format to finish. While you're waiting, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Once done, type exit and press enter to close DiskPart. Method 2. Run check disk. If you are unable to format using DiskPart, the drive can be corrupted. You can check this by running the check disk utility. Open the command prompt as administrator again. Type check disk, the USB drive letter, colon /f /r/x and press enter. It will take some time to finish. After the scan is finished, check if it finds any bad sectors on the drive. If yes, then you will have to replace it. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.